In this segment, I'll be discussing about the distinguishing test between two organic compounds, that is, the chemical test for the distinction between some pairs of organic compounds. First, I'll start with ethanol and benzyl alcohol. How will you distinguish between ethanol and benzyl alcohol? We can have iodoform test to distinguish between ethanol and benzyl alcohol. What type of compounds will answer iodoform test? Compounds having a CH3 group next to the carbonyl group. Such type of compounds will answer iodoform test. So, ethanol will answer iodoform test giving an yellow precipitate of iodoform, whereas benzyl alcohol won't react. This is how you have to distinguish between two compounds. Ethanol, benzyl alcohol, the test used to distinguish the two compounds. Here, iodoform test is used to distinguish between ethanol and benzyl alcohol. Ethanol answers this test giving an yellow precipitate of CHI3. Benzyl alcohol does not answer. Next one is ethanol and ethanal. Ethanol formula C2H5OH. Ethanal CH3, CH2, CHO. How will you distinguish between ethanol and ethanal? Sodium metal test. Ethanol reacts with sodium to give hydrogen gas, whereas ethanal does not react. It is here I have discussed only one test. There are many tests to distinguish between two compounds. Here if you take Felling's test, ethanol will answer Felling's test, whereas ethanol does not answer. Ethanol will give a reddish brown precipitate with Felling's reagent, whereas ethanol does not react with Felling's reagent. Next, how will you distinguish between pentan 2-one and pentan 3-one? It can be distinguished by iodoform test, that is the reagent is sodium hypohalite. Here we have taken the halite as I, NaOI. Pentan 2-one answers iodoform test giving an yellow precipitate of CHI3 with NaOI, whereas pentan 3-one does not answer. How? From the structure you can see. The formula for pentan 2-one is CH3, CH2, CH2, again one CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This is pentan 2-one. Pentan 3-one formula CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. So, compounds having a methyl group next to the carbonyl group will undergo iodoform test, whereas here in the case of pentan 3-one, that is the CH3 group is not near the carbonyl group. So, pentan 3-one does not answer iodoform test, whereas pentan 2-one will answer. Next, propanol and propanone. Propanol, what is the formula for propanol? CH3, CH2, CHO, aldehyde group. Propanone formula CH3, CO, CH3, keto group. How will you distinguish between propanol and propanone? Propanol and propanone can be distinguished by iodoform test. Propanol does not answer. Propanone answers iodoform test giving an yellow precipitate. Propanol and propanone can also be distinguished by Tollens silver mirror test. Propanol answers Tollens silver mirror test by giving a silver mirror, whereas propanone does not answer. This is a special test for aldehyde alone. How will you distinguish between acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde? This is an aliphatic aldehyde. Formula for acetaldehyde is found to be CH3, CH3, CHO. What is the formula for benzaldehyde? C6H5CHO. This is an aliphatic aldehyde and this is an aromatic aldehyde. These two can be distinguished by Felling's test. Felling's test will be answered only by aliphatic aldehydes. Acetaldehyde reacts with Felling's reagent, giving a reddish brown precipitate, whereas benzaldehyde does not react, does not answer. Next, let us see the distinguishing test between benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Benzaldehyde and acetophenone can be distinguished by iodoform test with NaOI. Here benzaldehyde won't answer iodoform test, whereas acetophenone gives a yellow precipitate of CHI3 with iodoform test. Acetophenone gives a positive iodoform test. Benzaldehyde formula C6H5CHO, and then acetophenone formula C6H5COCH3. Next, how will you distinguish between benzaldehyde and benzoic acid? Benzaldehyde and benzoic acid can be distinguished by NaHCO3. When you add NaHCO3 to benzaldehyde, it won't answer, whereas with benzoic acid, it will produce a brisk effervescence. That is because of the evolution of CO2. Benzoic acid formula C6H5COOH. Benzaldehyde formula C6H5CHO. Next, how will you distinguish between benzoic acid and phenol? They can be distinguished by adding NaHCO3 to both the compounds. Benzoic acid will produce a brisk effervescence. This is because of the evolution of CO2, whereas phenol won't react at all. How will you distinguish between ethylamine and aniline? By azodite test, you can distinguish between ethylamine and aniline. Aniline answers azodite test, giving an yellow dye, whereas ethylamine does not answer. That means it won't react at all. How will you distinguish between ethanamine and N-ethyl ethanamine? By carbylamine test. The reagents are CHCl3 and KOH. Ethanamine answers carbylamine test, giving a foul smelling isocyanate, whereas N-ethyl ethanamine does not answer.